Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to install your graphics card. First of all, just remove your side panel. Maybe it's a metal window or a transparent window, doesn't depend. Okay, so I'm just unscrewing now. Okay, yeah, this one just like so loose. Fine. Now guys, as you can see, there is a plastic panel which is a vertical panel. In my case, it says it is a horizontal mount graphics card. If you are using the same, then you're gonna get this type of horizontal plastic bracket. Here is a screw hole. In your case, there might be a screw. Mine have not, because I already unscrewed it. So just let's open this bracket just like this. Okay, it's pretty hard. Okay, sorry for this. Let's do it from the other side, because there is a small latch right here. Okay. Now it is totally open. As you can see, there is a vertical gap. Now grab your graphics card. In my case, I have 1060 3GB edition. The first thing you need to do is just place your graphics card inside your chassis comfortably, as per your comfortability, like this. And then one thing you need to do is just, as you can see, there is a notch which is here, a bent portion just like this. Let me show you. Yeah, the portion is just shining is the bent portion, and there is another part which is the notch like this. Two of those are here, and this notch is actually going to the gap between the motherboard and the chassis. There is a small gap. Yes, so you have to insert this notch inside the gap between the motherboard and the chassis. It's I know you can barely see the gap, but yes, there is a gap. So what you need to do is just place your graphics card just like this for a while. Just make sure that it's not gonna fall. Then all of these brackets are here. You need to remove one of them, because it's going to occupy two of those slots. So yeah, you're done here, and now you can see actually the gap behind there. Okay, motherboard and the chassis, there is a black thin line. That is the gap, and you need to place these two notch right there. Okay, so place your graphics card just like this, and make sure the latch is open. Let me show you. Let me give you a close look. Here is the latch, so make sure the latch is open just like this. Okay, the entire dent is now open. So place your graphics card just like this, and here is the bent portion. As you can see, my finger are going here, roaming around here. So this is the bent portion. So make sure you are placing your graphics card properly. Okay, so the front portion, the front two of those notch are going to get inside the dent between the motherboard and the chassis, and this bent portion is going to get inside the dent right here, where we just unscrewed the horizontal plastic bracket. Now it's all set. Now as you can see, the pins and the lock portion is just totally matching. Now it's all okay. Now you need to just push just like this. Okay, you need to push. The lock is automatically closed by its own, and now all those screw holes are already matched here, and the front two notch are already got inside the hole, inside the dent between the motherboard and the chassis. Now it's all set. Now just screw up. In my case, I'm gonna screw this one only. This one is not necessary. And then we're gonna place the 6-pin connector right here. Okay, let me show you. Here is the hole, and here we go with the bracket. No. Please. Okay. It's hard to move your camera when just holding a camera by one hand only. Okay, now as you can see, we already set one screw, already placed one screw right here, and it is just now tight enough. We don't need to attach any other screws in the other hole because it's already tight enough. Now is the time to place your PCIe connector, and basically it's the 8-pin connector, and we just separate these two one. Make sure it's pretty long enough to get attached with this long distance relationship. They can achieve the long distance relationship actually. So here is the lock on the upper side, so need to match this thing like this. Okay, now nice and easy. But this not looking good. PC is okay. Now let's move ahead to the UPS section. Here is the UPS section. Okay, now it's on. Let's 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's running properly. I'm gonna run the Formac and all those stress software. Let's turn on these fans. Okay, now it's moving. Okay, fine. Sorry for the little mess. I prefer to cover up your PC with a cloth and something like that to get rid from all those dust. If you are just living just beside a highway or something like that, there is so much dust, and your PC and the PC fans easily can catch those dust. So it's kind of weird things. Oh, I just forgot about one thing. There is a small light, as you can see here, which is pretty good, I think, and it is the most unique feature of this Phoenix Asus 3GB 1060 edition. It's literally so much good. Sorry for that. Okay, as you can see, there is a small light. Let me show you properly. This is a small power connected light.